With pool season upon us, you're going to want to keep your pool clean. Well, this is the WYBOT C1 Pro, a robotic pool cleaner that will map your pool and then clean the walls and floor of your pool. So get ready to toss out that old pool skimmer net, relax, and let the WYBOT C1 Pro do all the work. In the box, you'll find your WYBOT C1 Pro, accessories, instructions, and a pool hook attachment to grab your C1 Pro when it's done cleaning. Make sure you charge your C1 Pro when you start. Unscrew the waterproof cap, plug into the charger, and charge. Red lights mean no charge. Yellow means low battery, and green, well, means you're ready to rock and roll. Remember to screw back on the waterproof cap. That's kind of important. Download the app, connect your C1 Pro through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and then pick your pool shape, slope, then pool material. Select your cleaning mode, floor, wall, or both, then your cleaning pattern. If you want to set a schedule for your floor, you can do that too. Also, keep in mind you can pick your cleaning mode from the cleaning mode button right here. Just tap the power button to cycle through the different cleaning modes. Okay, once you have that set up, put in your pool. Your C1 Pro will then start cleaning the walls and floors of your pool. With its traction tread on its wheels and front, the C1 Pro can scale walls, come back down, and repeat. This also lets you surmount obstacles in its way, like a drain or anything else that might get in its way. This can also go up stairs as well, so that's a bonus. Now, when it comes to suction, its powerful suction abilities clean dirt and debris at the bottom of the pool and walls. And as it moves around, it cycles water through the device itself, cleaning the water all around it. So you're getting a clean pool on the bottom and top. When it's done, well, you can set a schedule to run it again or through the week. Or pull it out, take out the filter, and clean it out. The WYBOT C1 Pro is sure to keep your pool clean and ready to go throughout the summer and beyond.